All right, let's dig into some more rich media controls. We have both video and audio that we want to look at today. So the video HTML tag is pretty simple. It looks just like this. We have a video tag, and inside we give it a source tag that has a src attribute that points at our video source MP3 file. Now this could be some file out on the web. It could also be some file that you have locally. So I have a local file in this same directory called earth.mp4. And so I'm going to save that and refresh the page. And so this is the video here, but there's no way to sort of control the video. So there's an attribute on video called controls. Again, this is a binary attribute. There's no value for it. We just say controls and then refresh the page, and we have some video controls. We could click play, and that shows our little movie in the browser, the video in the browser. That's pretty common for like those hero images in the background. You might remove the controls and autoplay this thing when it starts. Now, by default, you should be able to say autoplay, and that would start the video immediately. Similarly, we have audio. We have an audio tag, and again, inside we have a source tag, and it will have an src attribute which points at some audio. So I have another file called song.mp3, and if we just save that, and again we want controls, we can refresh the page, and now we have an audio file. If we click play there, we can hear the music from that song. And that is how we add both video and audio controls. And that really wraps up all of the HTML that I want to cover. The next couple things we'll go into is a little tiny bit of CSS and then some JavaScript. So CSS is not my favorite, but we'll go over how to make things, how to at least target some elements, how to add CSS classes to HTML so that you might want to like style them. But yeah, so that's what we'll go into next. So stay tuned. But that's kind of the end of the HTML bits. So hopefully that was helpful. We'll share tons of resources in the description if you wanted to go check those out. But that really kind of covers and wraps up all of the HTML that I wanted to cover in this super basic beginner intro to HTML. So hopefully that was helpful.